हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज का टॉपिक है लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम। तो आज हम लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। तो जिसको मैंने दो पार्टों में डिवाइड किया, तो आज हम लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम पार्ट 1 पढ़ेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ते हैं लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम होता क्या है। लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम प्रोटेक्ट बॉडी अगेंस्ट फॉरेन मटेरियल एंड असिस्ट इन सर्कुलेशन ऑफ बॉडी फ्लूइड बिटवीन bloodstream and transport dietary fat. And lymphatic system consists of lymph, network of vessels, lymph nodes and nodules, tonsils, spleen, thymus gland and bone marrow. Important terms of lymphatic system. Number 1 is lymph. Lymph is a fluid that contains white blood cells that defend against germs. Next is the lymph vessels. Vessels that carry lymph throughout your body. They are different from blood vessels. And next is lymph node. These are glands found throughout the lymph vessels along with your spleen. These nodes are where white blood cells fight. Lymphatic pathway. This is the flow chart of the lymphatic pathway. In the lymphatic pathway, lymphatic capillaries transfer lymph to lymphatic vessels and lymphatic vessels to lymphatic nodes and lymphatic nodes to lymphatic vessels and lymphatic vessels to lymphatic trunk and lymphatic trunk to subclavian vein. These are small part show about lymphatic system in this capillary beds. Lymphatic vessels, lymph, arterioles, fluid are seen in this video. Next is the lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid derived from tissue fluid, contain more white blood cells than plasma and enters node through afferent lymphatic vessels and flow through nodes in one direction. These are lymphatic vessels. This slide shows about lymphatic nodes. Lymph flow through sinuses in lymph node, cortex and then into the medulla and exits the lymph node through efferent lymphatic vessels and must be returned to bloodstream to maintain blood volume and process. These are complete lymphatic system in our body. Next is the lymph capillaries. Lymph capillaries is a microscopic closed-ended vessels located next to blood capillaries in tissue space, larger diameter than blood capillaries, and they are very permeable and collect tissue fluid and protein. Lymph capillary merge to form layer lymph vessels. Next, the lymph vessels, which is resemble vein but have thinner wall and more wall. Ends of endothelial cell overlap, act as one-way valve, allowing interstitial fluid to flow in but not out, and attach to surrounding tissue by anchoring filament. These are blood vessels. These are lymph vessels area. In the lymph vessels, no pump for lymph. Lymph is kept moving by construction of vessels, skeleton muscles pump and respiratory pump. At interval along vessels, lymph flow into lymph node. Lymphatic vessels unite to form lymph trunk. In the lymph trunk, formed by lymphatic vessels uniting large tube and empty their lymph into lymphatic duct. Next is the lymphatic duct. Lymphatic duct In this, lymph empty into two duct. Number one is thoracic duct, or number two is right lymphatic duct. Lymph from these ducts enter the bloodstream via the left subclavian vein and the right subclavian vein. In the thoracic duct, about 15 to 18 inch in length, begin as a dilation called cisterna chyli, main collecting duct of lymphatic system, and receive lymph from lower body and upper left quadrant, empty into left subclavian vein. In the cisterna chyli, large lymph vessels formed by union of lymph vessels from lower body and located anterior to the secondary lumbar vertebra and continue superior as thoracic duct. Next is the right lymphatic duct. In this, about 0.5 inch in length, receive lymph from upper right quadrant and empty into right subclavian